Today's video is gonna be a hair transformation video. What a surprise. So yesterday I bleached my hair. I wasn't even sure what my plan was gonna be, but my hair was like, the roots were really bad and the rest was still quite kind of dark, like a dark gray, but it faded into like green tones and purples, and I wanted to have light hair again. So I bleached it, I bleached the roots, and then the rest of my hair I bleached, like I did a bleach bath, which is like 50-50 bleach and shampoo, and I just let it sit for like 30 minutes, and now it's this. Today I'm gonna try to get my whole hair like an even, very light green, kind of like this shade, because I'm not really into neon colors anymore, but this is definitely a green that you could see like in nature. It's kind of like a plant green. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a lot of conditioner, and then I just found this green that I already pre-mixed in like last spring. I also did a video about that hair color. It was very like plant green, and I don't even remember what the dyes were in this. I think it was like 5 different dyes, but it's very like plant green. But of course I need to get it lighter, and I think I have this Alpine green from Directions, which is a dark green with a very blue undertone, and I'm just gonna mix it because I think that yellow in my hair will cancel out, like will make this maybe too yellow, and then maybe this will cancel it out and make it more, I don't know. I'm just gonna try to mix something up. Okay, so nothing is happening. I need to make it darker and more bluish. So I'm just gonna let it sit for like half an hour to an hour or something, and then I'll be back with the results. So this is the finished result. Not gonna lie, I had focus. When I rinsed it out the first time, because usually I wash my hair first and then I dye it and then I just rinse it with water, and I did that and it turned out way too bright, way too neon. So I shampooed it like 5 times after, and now it turned out into like this color, or colors. It's not all the same color, like the roots are a bit different, but overall I really like it. It's not too neon. I think if I wash it a few more times, like over the upcoming weeks, it will turn out even better, because I don't know, I'm just not a very neon girl anymore. So but yeah, this is quite muted, kind of like the sage green that I was going for, especially the tips. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and yeah, see you the next time.